Today, on the Women Empowerment Day, I would like to give a tribute to all the women of the world. Women are at par with men in every aspect of life. Sacrifice, love, compassion defines her. Sometimes a mother, sometimes a daughter, sometimes a sister, and so on. Sometimes a stranger. Being a woman in this world is not easy. As a woman, our creativity and the inner power comes when we are feeling our true emotions. Yet, we have been trained since birth to turn down our volumes and velocity of our emotions. Think about the last time when you had a big, loud cry. We are encouraged to restrict our true feelings, our emotions, to confront to culture that never understands nor appreciates the ever-changing inner life of an emotionally healthy woman. When we are taught to disconnect from our feelings, we feel that disconnection. We feel that disconnect from ourselves completely. You're always there for everyone, everything in your life, but when it comes to yourself, it comes on a survival mode. You want to feel fulfilled, you want to feel happy, you want to live your life, but you can't do that because of the society reasons. A woman with a voice is definition as a strong woman. You're the one that possesses the keys to your being. You carry the passport in your hands, and you carry the passport of your happiness in your hands. So let me tell you, what you have to do is first believe in yourself. Believe me, there is much more in life than just survival. Change happens when you stop forcing, stop judging yourself. Learn how to overcome from your self-imposed barriers. Start saying yes to your wild audition dreams you didn't even know you had. It all starts with us. We can be the change. We can be the change maker. We can be the leader and the change maker too. We don't need any magic to ourselves to transform the world. We carry all the power we need in ourselves only. Already, it is there. Sometimes all we need is a bit of guidance, a bit of mentorship, a bit of a leader, a teacher along in the way. To all my beautiful women, be kind to yourself. Believe in yourself. Love yourself. Respect yourself. Take care of yourself, because your whole identity depends upon it. Accept your flaws, give a pat on your shoulder, and move ahead by loving yourself unconditionally. When you love yourself and accept yourself for who you are, the world will recognize you. What does a woman want? What she wants actually? She wants freedom. She wants healthy self-esteem. She wants her existence. She wants her identity. She wants sense of aliveness. She wants to be connection within. She wants safety. She wants to be valued. She wants to be witnessed and seen. For me, let me tell you, a woman of worth is someone who has self-respect, who has self-esteem, who believes that she can change the society. We reconnection to our true identity. So what does it take for a woman to shake her inner power awake? How often you thought about your own identity, about your own astitva? Did you ever blink back with the tears, the eyes? These are the very important factors that you have to rediscover yourself in your journey of life. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a great day. Have a Women Empowerment Day with all the thoughts in your mind, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.